Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am Juanita Beauty, yours truly. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I will be showing you a quick tutorial on how I created these beautiful and unique marble drip paintings with gold accent. So if you're interested, keep on watching. First, I'm going to take 2 white trash bags and place them over my table to keep everything nice and clean. And then I'm going to take some plasticware, place it in the center of the table to help elevate my canvas, allowing all the paint to drip off. The paint I'm going to be using is called Craftsmart, and you can find this at any Micheals or a craft store. I'm going to be using the colors gold, white, and black. Also using an empty water bottle that I'll be cutting in half. This will hold the paint that I will be pouring in layers. Now all you have to do is layer the paint. I'm actually not layering the paint in any specific order. I'm just trying to be as random as possible. The objective is just to fill up the cup completely. And as you pour the paint, try to get the paint all over the canvas before you start to move the canvas around. This is actually the fun part, is moving and manipulating the paint to kind of watch the beautiful intricate designs unfold. If at any point the paint begins to kind of slow, you can just repeat the same steps and add more paint and continue the process. And when you're finished, your canvas should look something like this. And at this point, you can begin to add a little detail. I'm choosing to add some gold leaf, and I actually purchased this gold leaf from Micheals as well. And it came in sheets, so I'm just going to start to rip these into tiny little pieces and kind of scatter them randomly across my canvas. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different than what I normally have on my channel. If you would like to see more DIYs, let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to your girl. As always, peace and love, and I'll see you in my next video.